You put switches on all your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Quan, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, today I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the thumbnail, I will be doing a spend a day with me vlog. So y'all, right now it is August 1st, y'all. This is a new month or whatever. So y'all, I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I want to. So y'all, don't hold me to my word, but y'all, I want to try to be more consistent on my channel and stuff like that. But y'all, today is Tuesday, August 1st. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and y'all, I'm finna go in to get ready because I got a dentist appointment at 2:30. So y'all, right now I'm getting ready. So by 2 o'clock I can be heading out the door, y'all, because I think the ride 30 minutes to get there, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's about 25-30 minutes to get there. So y'all, after the dentist appointment, we're gonna go to the mall to see if I can find some shoes and clothes to wear to the Tootsie concert coming up very soon. After we come from the mall, we're probably gonna grab some food from somewhere, and I don't know what the hell I want to eat. I really don't know what I want to eat, but y'all, I've been craving Mexican food. Like, I've been wanting some Mexican food for the longest, like I've been craving some Mexican food. So I don't know if I want, I don't know what I'm gonna eat, y'all. But after we get some food, I'm gonna come back home. Well, right now, no, before I leave, I'm gonna put a load of clothes in the washing machine, because y'all, I don't have no socks and no shirts. Like, I'm running out of clothes. So I'm finna put a load in the washing machine. I'm gonna hit y'all back.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong.
This is what I got on. I just put on a Tommy Hilfiger shirt with some cargo pants, some back cargo pants, and my little Crocs, because y'all, I don't feel like putting on no tennis shoes. So this is what I got on. My face is clean, everything just clean. So y'all, we finna head out because it's almost 2 o'clock, and y'all, it take 25 minutes to get there. So we finna head out, and we will see you guys when we get in the car. So yeah, I just got done getting my teeth clean.
Damn thing is like 3 hours.
Girl, know the fuck we had been.
Girl, my mouth be happy.
So y'all, hold on, it's gonna get dark. But y'all, I just got done getting my teeth clean. I had got a deep clean. And y'all, my teeth feel so much better. The lighting is not good. I'm gonna just wait till I get in the car. Fuck it. Oh!
What's the boot on your car?
Bitch.
Call girls on TikTok.
Girl, tell me why y'all, it's a boot on my car. What the fuck? Y'all, I got a boot on my car.
I told you not to park right here. I told you.
Bitch, where the fuck should you park it?
What they say?
Y'all, they fucking put a boot on my
Stop
car.
recording fucking video. I called the fucking people. It's hot as fuck out here.
Okay, y'all, we finna call these people. But y'all, they put a boot on my car. Did they put one on the other ones? Let me see. Y'all, they done put a boot on my shit. Oh, they ain't put none on this side. Let me call these folks. Hey y'all, so the man just took off the boot off my car, y'all, and I had to pay $75. Fuck y'all. I just had to pay $75 for the man to take the shit out of my car. So y'all, we finna get ready to go get us some food. Y'all, look at this car. This car is nice. Oh. Y'all, here's Slutty Vegan. Look at this. Y'all got to come. It's nice. So y'all, we just got to Edgewood. I really can't record in here because y'all, they playing music, so I really can't record. But we at the pizza thing or whatever. We gonna get ready to order our pizza. Y'all, I've been here before, but y'all, it looks so nice. Like, this is my first time ever sitting down. Like, I never sit down. I always got my food taken out. I never sit here, but this will be me and my sister. First time sitting here and actually eating the food inside the restaurant. But y'all, I already know what I'm getting. I'm getting the same thing I always get. These days, you just get them and recycle. This my So y'all, into the pizza, like. Y'all, look at my man. So y'all, this motherfucker done ordered all the fucking food. It's good. I put you on. Stop lying. Y'all, I put him on. He never had it. Have you ever had this? Yeah, I put him on. He had got a big ass pizza with some mozzarella sticks. And what kind of wings you had got? He got some teriyaki garlic, honey, y'all. How was the food? Boy, y'all. Okay, so y'all, we just got done eating. Bitch, I'm finna go leave y'all. So y'all, the food was amazing. I had a good time. The music was a vibe. Y'all gotta come check out Edgewood Pizza. The shit is a vibe. They play good music, all the hip hop, all the R&B music. They play everything, y'all. But y'all, right now. So y'all, right now we finna get ready to go to Walmart. Well, I'm finna get ready to go to Walmart. Or whatever. So, cause I need a new toothbrush. Hold on, what the sun? Yes, y'all, I'm finna get ready to go to Walmart or whatever, get a new toothbrush and everything. Hold on, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Bye. my baby. Hey y'all, so right now we currently in Walmart. As I said before, I'm here to get some hygiene stuff because y'all, I'm running low on everything, so I'm getting some hygiene stuff or whatever. Y'all, I'm extremely tired, so bear with me. As I was saying, I'm tired, so yeah, we in Walmart. We finna get some hygiene stuff or whatever, and after here, we finna go home and we just finna chill out, y'all, because we've been out all day long. Like, I'm tired, she tired. So y'all, after this, we finna just get ready to go home and chill out because y'all, I'm tired. We all tired. So we finna get this hygiene stuff, and yeah, y'all, they got some nice little flowers or whatever. But yeah, we tired. So after we leave here, we go home. We finna get down. Hey y'all, so yeah, so we just got back from Walmart and I'm finna show y'all everything that I got. So first thing first, I had got me an Oral-B Pro 500 electric toothbrush because y'all, my dentist recommended it, so I got this. I got some Nair because y'all, I don't like shaving, I just use Nair to keep this head clean. So got some Nair. Some mouth rinse, y'all. This is I like this one. Cause y'all, it don't burn my gums, so I like this one. This one way better. What else I got? I got some soap, some hand soap to go in the bathroom. I need to put this up now. So when guests come over, they won't have to use this. They'll use regular soap. What else I got? I got some Dove cucumber. Yeah, I like cucumber out of all of them. I like the cucumber. I got some Dove. And yeah, I got some Dude Wipes. My friend put me on. I never tried them, so I'm finna try it whenever I open them. Whenever it's time for me to use bathroom, I got these. But yeah, y'all, cause I usually get the other ones, the regular wipes, the regular baby wipes. Yeah, I'm finna try these. My friend put me on, so I'm gonna try these. And y'all got me some deodorant. Some Arm & Hammer. Deodorant, y'all. What else I got? And y'all got me some Carmex, cause y'all, my lips be dry. Carmex. Over there, y'all. But that concludes today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on those post notifications so when I post, you will never miss an upload. So yeah, I'm ending this vlog off, and yeah.